Hello everyone, myself Mamta and welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Pachala. In this class we are going to learn about Python Lambda functions. So what is a Lambda function, why we use it, what are the advantages of using a Lambda function over a normal function. All these things we are going to learn in this class. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and like for a more interesting content coming up. Okay, what is a lambda function? Python lambda functions are anonymous functions, which means the function without a name. We already know that for defining a normal function, we need a defined keyword and a name of a function, right? So, similarly, for defining a lambda function also, we need a lambda keyword. Name is not required. So, the syntax basically looks like lambda keyword and then the arguments that we need to give with a colon and then the expression. The basic thing we need to remember over here is we can give any number of arguments, but the expression should be only one. So when we need a function for a short time period, at that point of time we can use lambda functions. Being anonymous, lambda functions can be easily passed without being assigned to a variable. No need to assign it to a particular variable and then use it or call it. All these things are not required. Okay, lambda functions works as an inline function, thus that executes very fast comparatively with other functions. So many times lambda functions make code much readable by avoiding logical jumps or cause of by calling functions, all these things. Okay, let's uh, so this is basic syntax. The first thing that I'm doing is I'm assigning a string to a variable and I'm using a lambda function to print the same string. Okay, string is equals to lambda, the arguments is x and the expression is also x, and I'm printing that string which was assigned to a variable. Okay, and what I'll do, I'll write a simple function to do a cube of a number. So I'm writing a normal function and then I'll write a lambda function. So we'll see the basic difference, right? So define cube of the argument that we need to give, and I'm returning a cube of a number and I'm printing the cube. Okay, here I have given cube of 5, so it is 125. In the same way, here we have written two lines of code, right? For lambda we can done it in a single line. Okay, lambda cube is equals to lambda keyword and then the argument y, and then what is the expression that we want? We want a cube, right? Simply we can write it and then we can print it. Got it, right? So let's understand this basic functionality in depth. So what it is happening? So without using a lambda here, both of them returning the cube of a given number, but while using a define keyword, we need to define a function with a name cube and then pass a value to it, right? And after execution also we need to return the results from where the function was called. Okay, but when you see in lambda function, lambda cube function, we are not using any return statement. It always contains an expression that is returned. So we can also put a lambda definition anywhere in a function except like this. So we don't have to assign it to a variable also. So that is the simplicity of a lambda function. So let's dig more into it. So I'm using a what is this, list also, list count function, and then I'm using a for loop inside it also. This is the for loop. Okay, so tables I have taken. In this variable I am storing a range of numbers for x in range of 1 to 11. So 1 to 10 numbers it will come. So for this for loop, what I am doing, I am multiplying the number with 10. So that's what I need. And x is equals to x means this is the keyword argument. Because I am assigning it here because x for loop we are using it here, right? So x value is taken from here only. So that's the reason why I have taken x is equals to x. Okay, let's see what it will print. It will print a list of numbers from x is equals to 10 to 100. What it is doing, for x is equals to 1, it is multiplying with 10. For x is equals to 2, it is multiplying with 10. So it is giving 20. In the same way, from x is equals to 1 to 11, here it is there, right? 11 will be excluded. The same thing we can observe by placing the cursor after the range and press shift tab, right? Here it will simply shows that range I comma j produces I till j minus 1. So from 1 to 11 minus 1, that is till 10 it will come. Okay, the same lambda function we can use it with if else statements. So maximum I am taking, so I have taken two arguments a and b. So if a greater than a, if a greater than b, if a greater than b, then it is printing a, else it is print b. Okay, we can do many more. We can use a filter function, map function with lambda, but before doing that we need to know what is a filter, what is a map function, all these things, right? So in the next class we are going to learn about filter and map functions, and then how to use a lambda function with filter and map functions. That we can see in the next class. So hope you like my video. Please do like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.